Go to Hanson, where NBC 10's Oscar Margain live for us there. Oscar, good morning to you. You say that family is lucky to be alive.
That's right, Colton. They feel like they dodged a bullet. The Soderbergh family here really counting their blessings. Now, I want you to picture this. It is pitch dark, and then the wind is howling, and then the trees are swaying. And then, before midnight, this tree right here breaks in half, and when it lands on this deck right over here, it breaks into three pieces, the top of which ends up piercing that roof into the dining room just feet away from their children's bedroom.
Sounded kind of like a Mack truck or a train.
Tyson Soderbergh had been wanting to cut down the tall tree next to his shed, but last night, Mother Nature took care of it, and then some.
My daughter started screaming like crazy, and then we went into the dining room and saw the tree coming through the house.
It happened at around 11 p.m. while Tyson, his wife, and two children were asleep, not aware that a cold front had brought with it strong winds up to 55 miles per hour.
When we knew the wind was coming, I just thought it was going to be during the day. So during the evening was a different story.
Across the Bay State, wind gusts knocking down trees and power lines. In Dover, it did both in one spot along Farm Street, with a tree snapping in half, pulling down electric wires. It left Dover and dozens of other communities without power. At one point, upwards of 20,000 customers were left in the dark, keeping utility crews busy early on Thursday morning.
Just property, and it's just stuff.
Tyson feeling lucky the damage was limited to property and not to his family.
We're all safe physically, and we'll just, we live to see another day, so we'll see what happens from here.
Well, what happens from here is that a crew will come to remove the tree and all of this debris you see here at the home. Now, the building inspector and a firefighter or the fire department came over and said that the building is still in good shape. Now, of course, they want to get all this cleaned up before Saturday's rain. Reporting live in Hanson, Oscar Margain, NBC 10 Boston.